Hello and welcome to Northern Brewer University's online course, Brewing to Style, Cold IPA. Our Brewing to Style series looks at different beer styles, everything from the classic and historical styles to the very new, up and coming, booming in popularity styles such as Cold IPA. And we look at what makes them unique, we look at how they're brewed, and we kind of look at the variations you might find within the style. The course begins with a look at what a cold IPA is, and almost as important, what a cold IPA is not. There is a lot of debate around this style in homebrewing and craft brewing circles, so we'll take a look at the nuts and the bolts. Included in that is a great conversation I had with the brewer credited with creating the style, Davey of Wayfinder Beer in Portland, Oregon. Kevin tells us the origin story of Cold IPA, talks about the style's essential elements, and defends the use of adjuncts in craft beer. In the course's second chapter, we talk with two more professional brewers who have brewed multiple Cold IPAs over the past year. Aaron Herman from Arbeiter Brewing Co, a self-proclaimed Cold IPA purist, talks about his process and gives us some tips for homebrewers. Dr. Kristen England, head brewer at Bent Brewstillery, discusses his cold IPA technique and drops some real talk on the business side of IPAs while defending the style of cold IPA. In the third chapter, we get to homebrewing. We step into the R&D brew cave with head development brewer Brad Siegel as he brews both an all-grain and extract version of our new Chill Factor Cold IPA beer recipe kit, with plenty of Brad's personal tips and tricks to nailing the brew. Then we visit Northern Brewer St. Paul, where our coworker Daniel Dugan puts some big twist on a cold IPA. It seems everywhere you look right now, things are coming up cold IPA. If you've had one or two and enjoyed them, you're about to learn a lot about how they are brewed. If you've never had one, sit back and let us peel the layers of the hop cone and reveal to you what the style is, why we've come to love them so much, and how you can go about brewing one at home, including a handful of recipes to get you started. Chill out and join us for Northern Brewer University's online course, Brewing to Style, Cold IPA. You can find the class link in the video description or at northernbrewer.com/university.